I'm going to be doing a tutorial video today on how to set up my Trezor wallet. This is the limited edition. It's the Freedom Edition wallet. So it looks like this, and it has something engraved on it. Independence isn't given, it's taken. And it has a little seal here, so it shows it hasn't been ever tampered with or opened. So once you open the seal, right, so that reveals the opening. So I have it plugged into my PC. I have it plugged in with this attachment right here. And it says that Trezor 5 has been detected. Go to Trezor.io to connect. So then it says download for your desktop or continue to your browser. It's starting the download right now. Let's see. So I'm waiting for that download to complete. Okay, so I'm going to try to share my screen now. Okay, so I'm going to share this with you. So let's check your device. It says, let's start. Then it says, this check is a must-do step-by-step to ensure your device's reliability, integrity, and secure use. So this is just to confirm everything, confirm on Trezor. So here it'll say, swipe up, authenticate device, allow connected computer to confirm your Trezor is genuine. So yes, it tells you to swipe up right there. So I'll do that. Okay, tap to confirm. It tells you to tap there to confirm it. All right, we did that. Trezor is safe. Let's learn how to use and navigate this device. It tells you to swipe up right there. Get started. Okay, swipe down to move through the screen. So this is just telling you, teaching you how to use it. Hold this button to exit the tutorial. Let's hold it down. Oh, continue holding. It does a little buzzing sound. Well done. You're all set to start using your device. Swipe up again. Let's see what it's saying back on the app here. So it says tutorial complete. Now we're going to create a new wallet. Create wallet. Confirm on Trezor. So it says by continuing, you agree to Trezor's company terms and conditions. You're going to swipe up to that and hold again to confirm. All right, wallet created. Swipe up again. You can see that on the screen right there. And we're going to go back to the app and press and swipe up like it's telling us on the device. It says backup needed. Continue to back up. Your wallet backup lets you recover the funds just in case Trezor is lost or damaged. Never take a picture of your backup or store it anywhere digital. Store your backup wallet securely and never share it with anyone. So it has you check off all 3 of these boxes. And create wallet backup. Trezor will display your wallet backup, write it down accurately, and store it securely. It's the only way to recover your funds. So it gives you these little cards, the 2 little wallet backup cards that come with it. So inside of them, it has the spots for all of your passwords. Every one of the words combined are your password. So it's 20 words here, it says. So that gives you 2 little cards so you can save them in a safe place. And these are very important. You need these if you ever need to recover your wallet. So now I'm going to look at my device and write down my words. So I've just finished writing down all of my words. So I wrote down all 20 words on the card that was given to me with the wallet. And then now it says turn on pin protection. It's asking you if you want to use a pin. So I'm going to go ahead and set a pin right now. It says to confirm on the Trezor. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hide this screen again real quick so I could set my pin. Okay, so now I'm back to the Trezor. It says pin is set. So you can see that I set my pin. So continue. Then it just says to activate which coins. I'm only going to have Bitcoin on here because that's all I need. There we go. Bitcoin complete setup. Okay. Now go to, you could edit your name if you want to, or you could just go straight Trezor Suite. So enable view only to check your balances after you disconnect your Trezor. You can just skip that if you don't want to. And then now your wallet is ready. So now if you wanted to receive funds on this wallet, you would just show full address. And then you could just click on this address or confirm first. So it shows you a little confirmation. So here's the little confirmation. It has you confirm which wallet you're sending the funds to. So you could just confirm that it's the same as on the screen there. So then we would just swipe up on the Trezor, tap to confirm, make sure they match. And then now it says continue in the app, receive address confirmed. So then you can just go ahead and copy the address. And then when you go to whichever site that you are sending Bitcoin to your device, you would just say send Bitcoin, copy this address that you just pasted into whichever exchange you are sending the Bitcoin from. And then you would just click send, and you know that you've already confirmed the address, so it will be going straight here. I feel like most hardware wallets have pretty similar experience. So if you're just not sure about how to do hardware wallet setup, this is how a lot of them would work. So that is it for the tutorial. Good luck, and thank you again for watching.